Capturing tasks in your notes is easy. Managing tasks in your notes is hard. That's why we created TaskClone. TaskClone copies action items to your task app or calendar without you ever leaving your notes. Send all of a note's action items to the same destination or decide each item's destination individually. Initial setup is easy. It's based on 5 simple questions. 1. What is your source app for action items? Click to select and authorize your app. 2. What action items do you want to transfer? Typically to-do list items or note titles. 3. Where in your source app should we search for action items? Filter by notebook and tag. 4. What is your destination app for action items? Select from over 30 task apps and calendars. And 5. Where in the destination app should we insert the action items? Typically a specific project, folder, or list. That's it. You're ready to join thousands worldwide who stay focused, save time, and get more done with TaskClone. Click the link in the description and start your free trial today.